Meet James, a seasoned support agent at a leading manufacturing and distribution software company. For years, James prided himself on helping customers resolve complex issues. But as the customer base grew, so did the number of cases, and it became harder to keep up. Prioritizing which cases to handle first, a guessing game. Finding similar issues or answers, like searching for a needle in a haystack. Their old AI tool just couldn't keep up. It wasn't scalable, and it didn't play nicely with Salesforce. That's when the company turned to Kelley Austin. Together, we introduced Agentforce and Einstein for Service, two Salesforce native AI tools that changed everything. Now James has an AI teammate that works behind the scenes, analyzing incoming emails for urgency and impact, scoring cases, and proactively telling him what to focus on first. James just asked the service agent, "What should I work on today?" And it pulls the highest priority cases for him. No more guesswork. Agentforce also suggests similar past cases, so James doesn't waste time searching for answers. And with Einstein, email replies and troubleshooting steps are pre-drafted, giving James more time to actually help people. The results? A faster, smarter, more unified support experience. Resolution times dropped, manual work was reduced, and customer satisfaction went up. Thanks to Salesforce AI and Kelley Austin, James isn't just keeping up, he's staying ahead, and the company positioned to scale smarter, serve better, and lead stronger.